Wood furniture adds warmth and character to any home. But to keep it looking its best, it needs the right care. Dust, fingerprints, and grime can build up over time, and using the wrong cleaner can damage the finish. Let's walk through some simple steps to safely clean your wood furniture and keep it beautiful for years to come. First, grab a soft microfiber cloth. Gently wipe away dust and loose debris, always following the wood grain. Next, mix a few drops of mild dish soap in warm water. Dip your cloth in the solution, wring it out well, and gently wipe down any sticky or dirty spots. Once you're done, use a clean, dry cloth to wipe off any remaining moisture. For extra shine or protection, apply a small amount of wood polish or oil and buff it in using circular motions. Here's a final tip. Avoid harsh chemicals, excessive water, or abrasive scrubbers. These can strip the finish or damage the wood surface. Want help keeping your furniture and home spotless? Call Bear Brothers, cleaning at 256-633-6332, or visit bearbrowsecleaning.com. Because your home and your furniture deserve to be berry clean.